Okay, welcome to today's video. How are you doing? Welcome back to our old subscribers and team members because it's a team game. Now, today we're going to cut and boil this cow beef together. So this was in the freezer. Like I told you, watch my other videos. I always advise when you buy your meat, you wash before you freeze. So when you freeze, I'll explain to you the reason why. So this had been washed and frozen. So now I want to cut it to the size I want to cook. I have two chop boards, one for basically for raw meat. If I want to use it for other things, I really have to wash it back. So I kind of dedicate this to raw meat of any kind, chicken, beef and all that. I could use the other side for cooked one. So this is the size I'll be cutting to. So cut them into desired sizes. I think we should do suya one of these days, but I need to make the suya spice first. So let's see how that goes. So for today, we'll just see how we'll marinate, how we'll spice our meat before cooking. I'm just cutting into different sizes. Some are smaller than others, I know. Look at it. So just cut. Still, I got it out since morning and it still has ice in it. So I left it in the fridge. It's been out of the fridge for over 6 hours or more. So the key to this is just bring it out on time instead of having to defrost using power to defrost it or fighting with it to separate. So already it's on its own terms. It has defrosted to an extent. So let me know where you're watching from. Just type in where you're watching from. So this is beef. The butcher said, apart from the abattoir, that this is what's it called? This is native, whatever they call it, as homegrown. It's not, I don't know, it's not, I really don't even know what to say there. That's what they said. It should be more delicious than the usual one. So this did not have horn. The horn was very short a bit. Okay, no, it wasn't even having horn at all. So it's like, native, we call it native cow, whatever that means. So we have native chicken, for those of you in Nigeria. Native chicken, native everything. So we're done chopping. So this is what we got. I'll just transfer it into the pot in which I'm going to boil it and then we'll season it together. So we're using this pot. That should do. And this is my onion. I already chopped the onion. Just add a little onion. You can add as much as you want. That's garlic. This is ginger. Oh, there's something I'm missing out. I'll get it. I have my... Okay, if I do other ones, I'll do that one later. I need to refill my salt. So this is salt. Add to taste. Add enough so it takes it in. But be careful so you don't do too much. And after boiling your meat, I advise that before you use it for cooking, always taste, especially for salt, so that the quantity of salt you already have in the meat will determine the quantity of salt you add to your food. So I like to put enough seasoning cubes in my meat so it's well seasoned. Some people say if you want to use your meat for soup, there's a different way to season it, but I put almost everything, maybe apart from curry, but I'll put thyme. 3 cubes should do. The meat is not as much as I thought, so 3 should do. This is fine. I like to feel things with my hand. It's only salt I've learned I can also do, it's only salt I've learned, majorly salt I've learned to put without, I had to learn that, to put it without using my hand. I had to learn it. I struggled at first. So, and this is, if you know me, you know this is cinnamon and clove mix. So I put a little of that. And I think we're about done. And there's one more thing. Let me quickly get it. I'll be back. So this is my turmeric. Turmeric. Should I call them cubes or whatever? They're not cube like. So this is turmeric. So I'll just use one. One should be enough. Oh, I'll try one day. I'll make a video on how I prepare this. So this should do. I love fresh things. I don't like dry except yes, I don't have a choice. But if I have a choice, I like fresh. I like to see the water, the juice. So this is it. Just drop it in it. Now I'm done seasoning this. What else is missing? So we have our curry. Sorry, not curry. Thyme, garlic, ginger, seasoning cubes, and this. I'll just put this on top. So I remember to stir it. So I'm going to just cover this and keep. We'll also have salt in it, ginger, garlic, onion, cubes, seasoning cubes, thyme, cinnamon, and clove mix. And that's about all. Okay, let me add rosemary to it. So this meat really looks small. I hope it's enough for what I want to use it for. All the spices are good for health. There's rosemary. And that's it. So I'll boil it. See the way I'll boil it without water. So you bring out its own water or juice to spoil. So I'll just leave it for some time. Maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour to marinate very well. So cover that and keep it. So these are beef meat. It's been over 30 minutes, almost an hour. So I'm going to break the turmeric ball. I'm not stressing myself. Just leave it to boil, to melt. So I've sent the bottom of the pot. Leave it to boil, to cook. Then we'll check it at some time. This is goat meat. Sorry, beef. That's meat from cow. See much water. That's produced. Remember, we do not add water to boil it. So this is much water it has produced. Let's taste it and see. But I don't think it's well cooked. Well, some cook faster than others, depending on the the type. I think this was a male cow. It was a female. I can't remember. So I'll just let my mouth tell me if it's soft enough. And some people use fork. But I'm fine tasting it with my mouth. And of course, I know it's been long enough, so see, inside there's no blood stain, so I won't be like I'm scared of it anymore. There's blood stain, there's no need. But I know I've left it for long enough. Okay. It's chewable, very chewable. So I'll just let it boil for like 5 minutes and I'll turn it off. So I've come to the end of this. This is how I boil. I season and boil my beef. The salt is not enough here. It's not that it's so bad. I think I'll need to add some more salt. I like the salt to be very much enough. Since I'm still going to use it to cook other things. For the seasoning cube, I could decide to add one more, but I won't. I used 3 seasoning cubes. The smell isn't coming out. The taste is not really tasting well seasoned, but I hope that salt I put will do the trick. So since I'm still going to use it to cook other foods, you can always add more seasoning in that. So this is just okay. Taste the salt I've just added. It seemed pretty much, but it's meat, so I'll just watch the quantity of salt I put in the food. I'll use this to cook. It's not too bad, it just came out a bit strong, but it's fine. So I'll let that boil for like 5 minutes. And then we're done. So please like, share, subscribe. This is how I boil my meat. No water. This is I season it. Allow it to stay before I cook. Marinate it while it's cold. When you're marinating, you cover it. Keep it cold. I didn't bother putting it in the fridge because like you saw when I was cutting, you see I had a little bit of ice in it. So that ice was enough to keep it fresh till. And I only left it for like 30 minutes or thereabouts. So nothing to worry. And the weather right now is cool. So sometimes you need to consider the weather when you're doing these things, because if the weather is hot, if the meat is not very cold, though the seasoning, the salt will not let it go bad, but you want it to be very fresh, you might put it in the fridge. In case sometimes, you think you want to leave something for 30 minutes, you end up leaving it for longer because you're distracted by one house chores or the other. So that's it. So thank you for being a part of today's video. See you in my next one. Bye. Yeah, please remember to like, share, and subscribe so that we grow this channel together. Thank you. Bye.